Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Now, Yorkshire puddings. If you've been on the channel a while, you've seen me do my Yorkshire puddings. Now, I was thinking, am I doing my Yorkshire puddings right? Or am I doing them wrong? Because it's all about how many eggs you put in, isn't it? I always put 4 in my Yorkshire puddings. But will 3 eggs be better? Will 4 eggs is what I use? Or 5 eggs be better? Or equal amounts? Who knows? Everybody does them different, don't they? So today we're going to find out, exactly how many eggs you should pull in. Now I'm going to use the same, what I do with my Yorkshire puddings normally, but obviously different quantity eggs. Same quantity flour and same quantity milk in all of them, and just 3, 4, 5 or equal amount of eggs. That's what we're going to do, guys. So it's going to be nice and simple, and we're just going to see whether they're going to be not going to rise, whether they're going to be perfect, whether they're going to be too eggy, whether they're going to be crunchy and fluffy. We're going to have a look. So first things first is I want to get eggs, which I've got loads of eggs here, look. I've got my bowls. So we're going to get 3 eggs in the first one, without any shells if we can help it. And I'll do the same with the rest of them, and we'll measure the last one together to see how many eggs for equal quantities. And 5. So we've got a 3, a 4 and a 5. And we're just going to measure up the last ones, guys. I'll move all this first. And this is my cup I use. This is my flour cup for my Yorkshire puddings. So I know exactly how much I use. That with flour and exactly the same with milk. So we want to fill that cup up with eggs to see how many we get in there. One, 6. Obviously, if you're using a cup that isn't as big, you would take less, wouldn't it? That's 7 eggs. Let me show you guys. 7 eggs there, look. So we'll get them into a bowl. Okay, clean them, we mess up. First things first, whisk all the eggs. Now we've got to get the flour in now, guys, exactly the same. 1 cupful. So I don't need to show you it all, because it's all going to be exactly the same anyway. Because I'd like to know this myself. Say I use 4, and mine come out really good a lot of the time. Sometimes they fail. It's like everything, can it? Flour, I don't do any sieving or anything like that in mine. Just get it in. Cupful, 1. I wash the cup out in between because you can see bits in there. I want to keep it accurate. Nothing like a good Yorkshire pudding though, guys, is there? There is nothing like a good Yorkshire pudding. And the 7 eggs. We will mix all of that up. I'll sort of get it into like a crumb, if you get what I mean. And then I add my milk, which we'll have to do as we go on this one. Let me move that. Bring it down a little bit so you can see. Now see, you want it all bonding together like that. This is how I do my Yorkshires. And then you want your cup of milk. Like so. And bit in and keep mixing, guys. And I'll do that with every single one. My arm's killing me. I'm on my 3rd one. God. Should have used my electric whisk. It's killing. What we're going to do, I'm going to put the oven on. I've got my tin in the oven. I want to get my tin hot with my oven to get the oven warmed up. While they're doing, I'll leave these sitting on the side. I'll never put mine in the fridge. I know some people do. I never do. Because I think that's more for, maybe if you're doing bulk like a restaurant and that. I don't really do it in the fridge. I like to leave mine on the side at room temperature. So when they go into that boiling hot fat, It doesn't cool the fat down. That's what I like to do. Last bit of milk. I'll do this and I'll get the oven on. Okay, guys. Oven's hot. Pan's hot. I've put all of them into jugs. We've got 3, 4, 5 and 7. Well, equal amounts. We'll call that equal amounts. Now, I use lard. So use whatever oil you want. But it's just an experiment. We've got old eggs in it. So there's loads of different ways you can do Yorkshire puddings. But I'll do it my way, just with the egg consistency. 1 teaspoon of lard in each one. By the way, each one of these will make 10 Yorkshire puddings. Sorry, not 12. What we're going to do 3, 4, 5 and equal amounts. So when it comes out, that's how you'll see it. And what I'll do, probably, because it'll be a bit repetitive, I'll show you at the very end. Might show you a quick pour, but I'll have to do the pour quick, because you want your fat hot. Get that fat nice and hot. I got the oven on 200 degrees, by the way. I'm going to salt and pepper them. But it's not about that, is it? But we'll put a bit of salt and pepper on each one. We want to see the rise, don't we? That's what we want. We want the rise, guys. And I always give them a little stir before they go into the tins then. Right, I'm just stirring them, guys. And I'm going to get my tray out now. The oil should be hot enough. It's been about 15 minutes. Don't forget, it'll be 3, 4, 5 and equal amounts. Nice sizzle. About 3/4 of the way full on each one and equal amounts. I love a good old Yorkshire pudding, man. Right, let's get them straight in, guys. 25 to 30 minutes. Don't open your door. Actually, let's leave you on a bit of a rise. 3, 4, 5, 7. I'll leave it there. Probably put a bit of music over and you can watch it. So, guys, they've been in 20 minutes. I'm going to give them another 5. I mean, them ones are well done, ain't they? But those are only 3 eggs. But it looks like they're stopping from growing because they're all together. But them two, the 5 and the equal amounts, are looking delicious. I'm going to give them another 5 minutes just to make sure they're done inside, that's all. Okay, guys, we are going to get them out now. 25 minutes they've been in, so I'm hoping they're done in the middle, especially the bigger ones. Oh, I tell you what. Ooh, let me bring you closer. The 3s, the 4s. Mine usually go bigger than that. Usually go all over the place, but ain't bad. The 5s. All stuck. They're boiling hot. And the equal amounts. Oh, right, I'll get them out. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get our Nat to taste them. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Okay, guys, we've got our Nat here. I've set them up. I'm not going to tell you which ones, but you know, left to right, what they are. So start on that one, Bab.
Want me to start on this one?
Yeah.
Smells nice.
Got loads to eat, so. Here, fill your boots, babe.
That one's nice.
That one's nice. So that's top marks at the minute then, because obviously you ain't tried the other ones.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, right, I drink. No, try the next one.
We'll try the next one.
Right. That one's nice and crispy.
That was nice.
With a nice...
Nice inside.
Oh.
That one's got a bit of oil on it.
Oops. That one's even crunchier.
That one's even crunchier.
I recognise that taste.
Recognise that taste. That's my ones, Bab. But be honest, right? You got to eat the rest first anyway. You need the gravy.
Let me have a
guys.
drink. Yeah.
You need the gravy.
I won't need my dinner after eating those.
I know.
Oh, oh,
Don't like that one?
oh.
So that one will be lasting by the looks of things.
Oh,
at the
that's
minute.
horrible.
That
Can I
one-
spit it out?
Yeah, spit it out.
Oh, don't like that one.
Why?
Because it's like slimy
You're all
and
slimy in that.
it's really like, it's like, I can't explain. You've got your crunch, but then that's like, really like slimy and eggy and,
Horrible.
oh, it's horrible. It's not
Okay.
nice.
That one's horrible,
Don't
she
like
says.
that one. Don't like that one.
Now this one.
That one looks like that one.
No.
No, don't like that one neither. Yuck, that's vile.
That's vile.
That is like, that one, you're like eating a slimy egg.
Right.
It's
okay.
like, I can't explain the texture. It's like just really like,
Yeah.
it's, oh,
Just not very nice, Bab.
it's not nice.
Right.
No.
then.
I
Okay,
just
then you
find
got
it
these
really
two.
nice.
Which ones would you have?
Oh,
Want to taste them again?
I'll taste, let me have another drink. Them two are nasty.
Them two are horrible, so we'll remove them.
It's the inside. It's like slimy and nasty. Not because of the oil. It's like an eggy, slimy taste. I like both of them though.
Right, both.
Yeah, I like both of them.
Which
Come
one?
here.
You got to pick one.
Oh,
You got to pick one.
that one.
That one. That's not my one. That's the 3 egg. 3 eggs. 4 eggs. 5 eggs and equal
Oh.
amount.
Them two are nasty.
Do you reckon 3 eggs then?
Yeah.
Mine usually go a lot bigger than that. I don't know whether it's because there wasn't any room in there for it to grow.
Can I ask you again how many eggs were in them ones?
One was in 5 and the other one was 7.
Oh no.
Equal amounts.
Oh no.
People
not
might
both.
say like, oh yeah, we put so much flour and milk, but it's equal amounts, isn't it?
Oh, that's gross.
So,
no, don't do them ones.
I thought that equal amount would be too eggy. I wasn't expecting the 5 to be too eggy.
Oh, it's nasty.
But it is not
It
very
is
nice.
horrible.
So there you go. Nat likes the 3 ones, and mine are rubbish. So
Yeah,
I'm
yours
wrong.
aren't. Yeah, yours aren't rubbish.
I used to do 3 eggs years ago.
They seem to be more light and airy.
More light
and
and airy and proper Yorkshires.
yours are nice.
Mine used, you know how big mine go. We have them on a Sunday.
That's
But
what I'm
it
saying.
hasn't grew. I don't know whether that's just because of them 2 was taking up the space.
So I don't know whether, because that one hasn't puffed out, it's not gone so airy.
It's not gone
It's
so
more
airy.
dense.
Yeah.
They just want nice.
Nice and crunchy. There you go,
crunchy
guys.
and nice and light.
Testing on the old Yorkshire puddings. 7's a no-no and 5's a no-no.
Oh, don't bother
4's
with
a
them.
yes and 3's the best. That's what Nat says. So guys,
Delicious.
all in all, 3 or 4 eggs. Equal amounts. It maybe if you're doing one or two Yorkshire puddings, but say they make 10 out of that tray. So each one of them make 2. If you're doing it for Sunday dinner for the family, you've got to have 2 Yorkshires each.
But do you know what? Can you just keep it how you make it? Because when you make
Yeah.
yours on a Sunday, they just
Oh, I'm going
taste
to
so
keep.
nice
Yeah, I will
and
keep to
everything.
4. I will keep
Yeah.
to 4. I just think it didn't have room to grow. That's
No.
all. That's what I'm expecting.
Because yours
anyway.
are normally lighter than that and stuff.
Yeah. So there we go, guys. Thank you for watching. Bit of an experiment there. 3 or 4 eggs is about right, isn't it?
Any more than that, you're not going to enjoy the
No.
taste.
I think if you're going above, I
Oh.
think that's more for restaurants when it's all binding together and all put into the fridge. That's what I think. That's my opinion. Anyway, guys, till the next time, let me know how many eggs you use. I'm still going to be using 4. So it's either 3 or 4, isn't it?
Yeah.
Depending.
I won't need my dinner now.
See you later, guys. Bye-bye.